But now we're headed back to Puppet Pass. Climbing above Mesa Lake. I think I spotted Mount Darwin over there behind Alpine Call. It kind of looks like his snowfield. Like a lot of boulders coming down from Alpine Call, which is exactly what I've heard. There's Tomahawk Lake down there. Some great views of Mesa Lake. Unfortunately, can't see Desolation. Of course, you can still see Mount Humphreys. I think that's why they call this Humphreys Basin. This is looking pretty good. We came down this grassy ramp over here earlier, but then it turned into slippery rocks. So I'm hoping we can stay high and aim for this one. Grassy ramp now. Look at that. I brought us right to the mouth of the basin. Now I just got to make a left turn and head on up. Nice and easy. Until we get closer, then it gets tougher. There's the breeze. There's that tree we were aiming for, right behind you.
Where did we stop before?
Oh, right about in here.
Fun part.
Yep, the part we've been dreading all day long.
Oh, can't you call my helicopter? Oh.
I could, but it'll be really expensive. And we'll be leaving a bunch of stuff out. Okay, down we go. We decided to put the camera away to make it easier to drop my stuff. So I don't know how much I'm going to shoot on the way down. I'll just be too focused on getting Mom down. I think we're off the hardest stuff.
Well, I'm still headed down from Puppet Pass. It's way up there. And I'm here amongst the boulders again. I think I always somehow manage to choose the hardest way down. I think I'm supposed to be over there. A lot smaller rocks. So slow going. Some of these rocks, they move, and aim for that little grassy patch there. And then head over to the left of the Puppet Lake. Just headed way out there into those woods.
Wow, does it feel good to be on grass again?
Oh, yes.
Boy, what a
rocks
mess.
are pretty tough. Oh my goodness. Wow.
But we did it.
That looks like an impenetrable wall, but when you get closer, it's not that bad.
Like I said, it's doable.
It's doable. You're right.
What's up, little birds? I'm here in this nice forest, still dropping down from Puppet Pass. Dropped quite a bit, dropping into this French Canyon. And I'm headed to the Pine Creek Pass Trail. To a huge waterfall. All that water's coming from Royce Lakes, just on the other side of this canyon. Oh, there's some people down there. Well, that must be the Pine Creek Pass Trail. I just crossed that main river here in French Canyon, and here's the Pine Creek Pass Trail. So this is where we leave the Pine Creek Pass Trail, the trail that we've been on for a little while, following this creek. And we turn right and head up here. I think it's going to be pretty steep. Faint trail following the creek all the way up to this meadow. Yeah, that section was pretty steep. That creek is actually from this water here, Marion Lake.